What if I told you the password protecting your Google account is actually the weakest part of your security? It doesn't matter how long your password is, how complex it looks, or how confident you feel about it. Passwords are being stolen every single day, and most people don't realize it until their account is already compromised. For decades, hackers have been refining ways to break, steal, or trick people into giving away passwords. And the uncomfortable truth is, they've gotten extremely good at it. But here's the shift. Google has introduced a new system that completely removes passwords from the equation. It's called Passkeys, and it turns your phone or computer into a secure physical key that hackers simply cannot access remotely. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set it up step by step, and more importantly, why this is one of the biggest upgrades you can make to your digital security right now. Before we jump into setup, you need to understand why passwords are no longer reliable. Every time you enter a password, it has to be sent to a server for verification. Even when it's encrypted, it still exists as stored data somewhere in that system. And that's the core problem. If that system is ever breached, whether it's Google or any other service, your credentials can be exposed. This is exactly how billions of usernames and passwords end up circulating online. The entire password system was designed decades ago in a time when cyber threats were far less advanced. Today, attackers use phishing sites, data leaks, and automated tools to capture passwords at scale. It's no longer about guessing, it's about collecting. So even a strong password doesn't actually solve the real issue. It's still a shared secret that can be intercepted, stolen, or reused. And that's exactly what Passkeys are designed to eliminate. Passkeys completely change the system. There is no password stored on a server, nothing to steal. Instead, your device holds a secure key inside its hardware, and that key never leaves your device. Now let's get into the setup. Start by opening your web browser. Google Chrome works best for this. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. Now look at the top right corner of your browser. You'll see your profile picture or your account icon. Click on that. In the small menu that appears, click on Manage your Google account. This will take you to your main Google account dashboard. Think of this as the control center for everything related to your security, privacy, and login settings. Once the page loads, look over to the left-hand side. You'll see a menu with different sections. Click on the one labeled Security. Now scroll down slowly until you find a section called How you sign in to Google. This is where Google manages all the ways you can access your account. Inside that section, you'll see an option labeled Passkeys and Security Keys. Click on that. This is the exact place where you move away from traditional passwords and switch to a more secure login system. Once you're here, you're ready to create your first passkey. Google will now ask you to verify your identity. Enter your current password. After that, you'll see the option to create a passkey. Click it. At this point, your operating system takes over. If you are on Windows, it will prompt you for your Windows Hello PIN or a biometric scan like your fingerprint. Once you confirm, the passkey is created instantly. Your device is now securely linked to your Google account without relying on a traditional password. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Instead of storing a password, your device creates a pair of cryptographic keys. One key stays on your device and never leaves it. The other is stored with Google, but it cannot be used on its own. When you log in, these two keys verify each other securely without ever sending a secret over the internet. So there's no password to intercept, steal, or reuse. Now let's test this in a real situation so you can see how it actually works. First, I'm going to sign out of my Google account completely. This simulates a normal real world login scenario. Now I'm back at the Google sign in page. I enter my email address and click next. Instead of asking me for a password, Google immediately detects that a passkey is available. It prompts me to use my passkey. Windows Hello appears. I enter my PIN and I'm in instantly. No typing passwords, no waiting, no risk of keyloggers or phishing attacks. The entire login process takes just a few seconds. Now let's address one of the biggest concerns. What happens if your device gets stolen? Your passkey is stored inside a secure hardware chip. It cannot be copied or extracted. Even with your device, a thief would still need your PIN or biometric verification. Without that, access is impossible, and if your device is lost, you can remove it from your account instantly. Back in your Google security settings, you can see every device that has a passkey linked to your account. This gives you complete visibility and control. If you notice an old or unused device, you can remove it with a single click. Once removed, it loses access immediately. Passkeys don't completely remove passwords, but they replace them for everyday use. If you are on a shared or public computer, you can still use your password when needed. But on your personal devices, you should enable passkeys everywhere. It dramatically reduces your risk of being hacked. If this helped you out, hit the like button so more people can find this and stay protected. Share this with someone who still relies only on passwords. And if you want more real no nonsense tech fixes like this, subscribe to Techie Dialogue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.